In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the automatic formatting features in Microsoft Word, specifically versions from 2016 through to Microsoft 365 for Windows. If you've ever been frustrated by Word's tendency to automatically alter your text or format it in ways you didn't intend, this tutorial will help you gain more control over your document's appearance. Let's begin by opening Word on your computer. Once you're in the program, turn your attention to the top menu and click on the File tab. This is where we find most of the options for customizing Word's settings. Next, go all the way down to the bottom of the list on the left and select Options. This will open the Word Options window, a control center of sorts for all your Word settings. In the Word Options window, look at the list along the left-hand side and select Proofing. This area allows you to customize something that Word is quite well known for: its proofing features, including the infamous AutoCorrect options. You'll notice a button labeled AutoCorrect Options. Go ahead and click that. A new window will appear. This is the AutoCorrect window, where you can start making changes to how Word handles your text as you type. First, you'll want to go to the tab labeled AutoFormat As You Type. In this section, you can see various options that Word automatically implements as you type. These settings are designed to save you time, but they can sometimes do more harm than good, depending on your preferences. You might want to consider unchecking a few of these options if they've been bothering you. For example, perhaps you've struggled with Word automatically turning your straightforward straight quotes into smart curly ones. To stop that, simply uncheck the option for Replace straight quotes with smart quotes. Additionally, if Word's tendency to create bulleted or numbered lists the moment you type a dash or a number is not what you want, uncheck Automatic Bulleted Lists and Automatic Numbered Lists. And, of course, if you don't wish for your web addresses to instantly turn into clickable hyperlinks, feel free to uncheck the Internet and Network Paths with Hyperlinks option as well. Once that's done, it may also be beneficial to take a quick look at the next tab over, simply labeled AutoFormat. Here, you can find further options that you might want to uncheck based on your needs, similar to what you just adjusted. After you've made all the desired changes, don't forget to click OK to save your settings. This not only applies them, but also closes the AutoCorrect window. And finally, click OK one more time to exit the Word Options window. Your Microsoft Word should now behave much more to your liking, formatted just the way you desire. Thanks for tuning in, and happy word processing!